My name is Rehana Nightingale. I was hoping to learn how to conduct my own workshops, build confidence and move up to the next level. Best thing about the course, was all the practical demos. They moved me right out of my comfort zone, but they were invaluable in terms of what they taught me. Best thing is confidence and probably my power and allowing myself to be seen and accepting my presence. I think she's absolutely brilliant. There's no comparison. She's so generous with herself, with her time, with her materials, with her knowledge. And she doesn't just leave you at the end of the workshop. You can contact her if you need to, and that's just a huge comfort, really, to have that support.